Hi, my name is Cooper. Today, my team members and I will be discussing in detail the many benefits that Microsoft Azure can bring to your organization. Enterprises across the globe are realizing great success with business solutions powered by cloud computing. They're redefining the way they do business with scalable, secured, cloud-enabled enterprise applications. Globally, 90% of Fortune 500 companies are using Microsoft Azure in some way, shape, or form to help drive their revenues and streamline business processes. Using deeply integrated Azure cloud services, enterprises can rapidly build, deploy, and manage simple to complex applications with ease. Azure supports a wide range of programming languages, frameworks, operating systems, databases, and devices, allowing enterprises to leverage tools and technologies they trust.
Hi, my name is Brady, and I'm going to give you a tour of the main dashboard, services, and settings within Microsoft Azure. Once logged into Azure, we are met with the main dashboard with a ton of options, including services and settings. When getting started, you'll be spending a lot of time creating resources where businesses can create useful and powerful resources, such as creating web apps and storage accounts that all run through Azure's cloud. Simply click on Create a Resource to get started. There are a wide selection of resources already installed that are broken down by category. If you need something that is not there, there is a marketplace with additional resources, some free and some paid. Heading back to the main page, we can see a selection of services that Azure offers. To see all of the services that Azure offers, click More Services and All Services. There are literally hundreds of services offered, so it can be flexible with your business needs. Some of the most commonly used services are subscriptions, virtual machines, and storage accounts, most of which will be covered later. Below the services are recent resources where you can conveniently view and manage your current Azure assets, along with its type and last date viewed. Below that, there are additional navigation tools and useful links that help you interact with the application. For example, your business could customize its own dashboard or monitor your apps built right into the application. Finally, take note of the easy-to-use status bar on top of the page that shows the Cloud Shell, directory, notifications, and settings, where you can change how Azure looks and how you interact with it.
When choosing cloud-based computer software for your business, I strongly suggest that you choose Microsoft Azure. Pricing for Azure compared to other cloud-based computer software such as AWS is outstanding. AWS is 5 times more expensive than Azure for Windows and SQL Server. The nice thing about Azure is that they also match pricing. You can pay for the resources you use and cancel them at any time you want. It has free enterprise-grade management tools, which is built-in tools and services to help you compare costs, save money, and optimize your Azure resources. It also helps with making cuts throughout Azure. The nice thing about Azure is that it does give you a free $200 in credit to be able to help buy apps and services. There are plenty of support sites that can help you set up your account as well. The nice thing about Azure is that it gives specific details and pricing per product that you would like to purchase. So if you scroll on up here, it does give you specific details and categories here, Internet of Things, Management, and Media. So if we click on Management here, we'll head on over to Cloud Shell. It does give you the billing or what the billing is based off of. Also, the support, like flexible support plans starting at $29 a month. It does give you a plan here. If you scroll up, it does give you a pricing quote. You can also try it out for free. As you can see, it's no upfront costs, no termination fees, pay only for what you use. So all said and done, I strongly suggest that you use Azure because it meets all of your cloud-based needs.
Hi everyone, my name is Jordan Schuneman, and today I'll be talking about Azure's subscription details and a little bit about cloud computing. So to start off, cloud computing is a form of data storage that anyone within a specific organization can have access to and share. This is just one of the key features that Microsoft Azure offers for a company. So talking a little bit about cost, Azure solutions don't just make it faster and easier to add and scale infrastructure, they make it a lot cheaper. Physical services and infrastructure devices like routers, load balancers, and more quickly add up to thousands or even hundreds of thousands of dollars. Then there's the IT expertise required to run this type of equipment, which amounts to major payroll overhead. So by leveraging Microsoft's massive infrastructure and expertise, Azure can trim our annual IT budget and by head turning percentages. And obviously you can keep track of your cost management and subscriptions right here on the website. So talking a little bit about applications, as you can see, all the different apps and applications that Azure does offer for a company. Through the use of previous mentioned services, Microsoft makes developing and testing mission critical apps a snap. Move an application from test to production mode on the fly across a globally distributed network. Microsoft also offers substantial licensing discounts for migrating their existing apps to Azure. So this represents even more opportunity for savings. So as you can see, Microsoft Azure is not only worth a subscription, but gives a company many different applications to successfully reach the company's goals.
Storage is another app that we can find in Azure. We can get to storage in Azure by creating a resource. So we go to create a resource and we scroll down to storage accounts and this page pops up. So to create a storage, first we should fill this information. If we don't have a resource group name, we should create one, but in this case, since I have a resource group, I'm using this one, and I'll be using the to make it easier. Stuff is demo as a storage account name, and as you see, it accepts it. For the location, we can use any location in the world, but since it's relevant, I'll be using the East of the United States. And we go ahead and review create, and we create it. It takes up to a few minutes, maximum a few minutes to get up and running. As you see, the storage is created. So we go to resources to review our storage account settings. Then as you see it in settings, in the storage account, we came across the containers, which are blob storage, the file shares, which is also known as file storage, tables which is also known as table storage, and queues. In containers, we can create containers. We can create new containers by clicking the plus container sign and creating a name. Do demo and create one. Demo and create one. Then as you see, the demo is created. the continuous create story, and we could upload any kind of file from our PC or from the cloud. We could upload it to our server in Azure or anything that we have in Azure.
As you can see, Microsoft Azure is incredibly powerful and fully capable of taking on any of your organization's business needs. This software is used by thousands of companies around the world and has successfully helped them streamline business processes and driven revenues upward. In this video, we spoke about why you should be interested in cloud computing, what exactly is cloud computing, what is Azure, the services it offers, and its many uses. We hope this video has been informative and that you will consider implementing it into your organization.